In this video, I'm going to show you how we can copy existing templates and create new ones. So we can go to any patient file and go to Communications, New Document. In here, you'll have all of your existing templates. You can press the blue button here and that will expand everything that's inside of those folders for you. So let's say, as an example, you wanted to copy the prescription over print template. What you can do is you can click on the template once, so it's highlighted blue, click the Edit button here, which is the blue pencil. What you're going to do, rather than copy and paste it directly from here, you need to go Format, Source Code, Control A will select everything, and then you can copy using Control C, cancel out of here, and say OK. And to create a new template, you can press the plus from the top left. You'll give your new template a name, new template example, and we need to go Format, Source Code, backspace what's in here, and paste. And then save that template. So that will copy and paste existing templates for you. You just need to remember that you can't just straight copy and paste directly into this blank document because the macros and the formatting won't align correctly.